Oh, we're back and we got lots of things going on. As I said, I was going to continue on with the series of TSBs, SSM, CSPs, and all that other good stuff. If you don't know what that means, then by all means go back to some of my previous videos and you'll be able to figure out what that all means. I have to have my glasses on so I can read this stuff. But essentially what I'm going to cover is the SSM 48108. No crank concern due to security access key table error. Replace the body control manual. That's right, module rather. Basically, yeah, you got a BCM failure in this one. So this SSM 48108 is definitely something. If you have this problem, you're going to want to get it checked. And what it does is it covers some 2015 through 2019 vehicles that may experience a no crank concern due to a security access key table error. When attempting to program keys or perform a perimeter reset, the procedure may fail and the appropriate Ford diagnostic scan tool may display an error of 232 key table not allocated. If this error message is encountered, the body control module, BCM, is internally damaged and requires replacement. The BCM should only be replaced for this condition when the 232 key table error message is present. If the 232 key table error is not present, follow normal diagnostics for no crank conditions. For claiming use casual part, it is 15604 is the part number and applicable labor operations in section 10 of the service labor time standard manual. Okay, so it doesn't say how long it's going to take to replace that, but if you're replacing the body control module, it's going to take a few hours maybe. Okay, so you got to unplug a lot of stuff and plug in a new body control module. It might take an hour, it might take two, but again, the years that are covered are the Ford Edge 2015 through 2019, the Ford Expedition 2018 through 2019, the Ford Explorer 2015 through 2019, the Ford F-150 2015 through 2019, the Ford F-250 SD 2017 through 2019, the Ford F-350 SD 2017 through 2019, the Ford F-450 2017 through 2019, the Ford F-550 2017 through 2019, the Ford Fusion 2015 through 2019, the Ford Mustang 2015 through 2019, the Ford Ranger 2019, Lincoln Continental 2017 through 2019, Lincoln MKC 2015 through 2019, Lincoln MKX 2016 through 2019, Lincoln MKZ 2015 through 2019, and last but not least, the Lincoln Navigator 2018 through 2019. Again, this is a SSM. Basically, this is not a covered job if they have to go ahead and do this unless you are under warranty. Otherwise, it will be on your nickel and you will have to pay for it. So if you're under warranty, you're good to go. Most of these cars should be under warranty for this stuff. But if you're not and you're in the 2015 model year, you may not be covered. So you may have to be ready to pay for that unless you have an extended warranty through Ford, and then you'll be covered. So that's pretty much it on that aspect, folks, for this SSM 48108. Pretty much covers any problems you may have with your body control module not working. And that's, like I said, it might be a little pricey deal. I don't know what the cost of the part alone is, but it's going to be more than a couple duckies. So you want to make sure you do follow up on that if you're under warranty and having these problems, and they'll get you all set up there. But this is MACTFORDEDGE, again, my SSM, TSB, and CSP coverage on here, so we can keep our edges running great. And hey, like, subscribe, join MACTFORDEDGE on Facebook. Also join and subscribe MACTFORDEDGE on YouTube. And my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day. I want you to have a great day too. Band of One's got great music as always, and Mercy Girl's always tossing those one-liners out.
Thank you for watching MacT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.